Forex trading basics for beginners. Forex trading, also known as foreign exchange trading, is a lucrative financial market where individuals can trade currencies against each other. With a daily trading volume surpassing $6 trillion, the Forex market offers vast opportunities for profit. However, for beginners, diving into the world of Forex can be overwhelming without understanding the fundamental concepts. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the basics of Forex trading, equipping you with the knowledge to embark on your trading journey with confidence. If you are watching this video, then you are new to Forex. If you want to do something good, you must select a good broker. A good broker has everything. Characteristics of a good broker would be regulation and security, user-friendly interface, commission-free trading, practice accounts for beginners, advanced trading tools and analysis, mobile trading convenience, excellent customer support. I gave you the link of the best Forex broker in this video description. Let's start. Understanding Forex trading. Forex trading involves the buying and selling of currencies in pairs, such as Euro-USD or GBP-JPY. Traders speculate on the price movements of these currency pairs, aiming to profit from the fluctuations in exchange rates. As currencies are always traded in pairs, one currency's value is relative to the other, creating opportunities for both upward and downward price movements. The role of exchange rates. Exchange rates are the foundation of Forex trading. They represent the value of one currency relative to another. Exchange rates are influenced by various factors, including geopolitical events, economic indicators, interest rates, and market sentiment. Understanding how these factors impact exchange rates is crucial for successful trading. Major currency pairs. There are three main categories of currency pairs: major, minor, and exotic. Major pairs involve the most traded currencies globally, such as Euro-USD, USD-JPY, and GBP-USD. These pairs offer high liquidity and typically lower spreads, making them suitable for beginners. Trading platforms. To engage in Forex trading, you need access to a trading platform. These platforms are provided by brokers and offer various features, including price charts, technical analysis tools, and order execution options. Choose a user-friendly and reputable trading platform to ensure a smooth trading experience. Fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis involves evaluating economic and political factors that can influence currency prices. Indicators like GDP growth, inflation rates, employment data, and central bank policies are crucial considerations for fundamental analysis. Staying updated with relevant news and economic events is essential for making informed trading decisions. Technical analysis. Technical analysis focuses on studying past price movements and chart patterns to predict future price directions. Various technical indicators, such as moving averages, RSI, relative strength index, and MACD, moving average convergence divergence, help traders identify entry and exit points for their trades. Risk management. Risk management is a vital aspect of Forex trading, especially for beginners. It involves setting stop-loss and take-profit levels to limit potential losses and secure profits. Traders should never risk more than a small percentage of their trading capital on a single trade and should avoid over-leveraging. Demo trading. Before risking real money, beginners should practice on demo accounts offered by most brokers. These accounts allow traders to execute trades using virtual funds, gaining practical experience without any financial risk. Emotions and discipline. Controlling emotions is essential in Forex trading. Fear and greed can cloud judgment, leading to impulsive and irrational decisions. Developing discipline and sticking to a trading plan are crucial for long-term success. Continuous learning. Forex trading is a dynamic and ever-changing market. Successful traders continuously educate themselves, attend webinars, read books, and follow experienced traders. The more you learn, the better equipped you become to navigate the complexities of Forex trading. Conclusion. Forex trading can be a rewarding venture for beginners who approach it with the right knowledge and mindset. Understanding the basics, including currency pairs, exchange rates, technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and continuous learning, is vital for success. Remember that Forex trading involves risks, and there are no guaranteed profits. Start small, develop a trading plan, and be patient and disciplined in your approach. With practice and perseverance, you can build the foundation for a successful Forex trading journey. Happy trading! I gave you the link of the best Forex broker in this video description.